Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, I'm going to be checking out the Caseology Nano Pop case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So if you just got your new S22 Plus, here is a case for you, and I'm going to go ahead and review this for y'all real quick. So again, let's go ahead and start off with the packaging. So it is made by Caseology, has this nice grayish, whitish color to it, and then we also get a nice little image of what it looks like. What the case looks like, plus what it device is for. So Galaxy S22 Nano Pop case, and then it is the black sesame color. So there is a blue and a yellow color. The inside is yellow and the outside is blue. And then this one right here, the inside is gray and the outside is black. So Caseology looks very similar to Spigen. You might be wondering why, and the reason for that is because Spigen makes Caseology's cases, so the packaging and everything else is just really similar to each other. But this is one of the cases that I really like from Caseology. So other than that, really nothing much to it. So let's go ahead and open this up. We get a nice pull tab right up top, and then we are immediately able to reach our case, which is right inside of here. So move this to the side. And here we have our case in this plastic pouch. So this case is made out of silicone, and it does feel really nice and premium in the hand. And then we also get this little card inside, so let's go ahead and see what it is. It says, "Welcome to the club, we're happy to have you. Thank you for trusting us, make a difference, we're not happy until you are." All right, so we can go ahead and put this to the side. That is not important, that's not what we're here for. So here's the case again. As I said, the inside is gray and the outside is darker gray, very close to black, but it's not completely black. We have a two-tone finish right here. So one for the camera hump, as you can see, has this nice covering where there is actually nothing, so you don't have this area open as well, and then one for the camera area. So looks really nice overall. I did have the blue one for my iPhone 13 Pro, which looked real nice. Had a yellow accent for the camera hump, which I actually might prefer. I don't know if I might get that one for this one, but for now, let's go ahead and check this out. So quickly go ahead and plop the phone inside of our case. Boom, and it's as easy as that. So really easy to plop on. Let me go ahead and wipe down my display so it doesn't have all those fingerprints and the dust on it. So quickly, let's go ahead and examine this case. Again, I start off with the branding. I don't really like branding on my cases, and this one right here just has very minimal branding. As you can see, there's a tiny Caseology logo right there on the very bottom, so you probably won't even notice that. And then nothing else on the side except for right here, it just says Caseology with a tiny logo again. So very minimal branding, which I really enjoy on cases. So design-wise, very simple. Feels really premium in the hand, so nothing much to talk about there. I really like that they did this two-tone finish right here. And other than that, let's go ahead and check out the camera hump. So we get a nice little camera hump, which actually protects your cameras really well. It's actually a pretty large lip that goes above your cameras. As you can see, you can't even see the cameras when you look at it sideways, and the cameras are perfectly protected inside of there. So you should have no issues with dropping it on its back and worrying about cracking your cameras. So overall, pretty nice protection on the the back, and on the front we get a nice lip all around the display. So I don't currently have a screen protector on here, but even if I did, if I had a tempered glass screen protector, this would still be perfectly fine. So you should have no issues with that. And also we have a nice little speaker cutout. So our speaker grill is way up top. Samsung did put it all the way up top there, so it looks very nice, and you get symmetrical bezels. And then Caseology made this little hump and a little slit, so you can actually still have access to your front-facing speaker, so you don't lose out on the sound quality. So overall, pretty nice case. Don't really have much to complain here. So we get our charging port cutout, speaker grill cutout. So pretty simple and pretty nice to hold in the hand. So it does feel a little different compared to my iPhone 13 Caseology Nano Pop case. This silicone does feel a little harder, I guess. That one's felt a little more smoother. Not really sure if they're using a different material, but don't really care. It still feels really premium in the hand. So moving on to the button test, which is one of the most important parts in a case for me, if the buttons are clicky and you don't apply too much extra force. So let's go ahead and do that. And you can probably already tell from the sound that the buttons are really clicky and they are very tactile, plus you don't really apply any extra force to it, so it does pass the buttons test for me. So overall, pretty nice and minimal case. Just adds a tad, it's a little thick. It's not meant to be a thin case, but it really isn't too thick, especially with the design of this phone. So you get pretty nice squared off edges with these rounded squared off sides and these rounded edges, so you shouldn't have any issues with that extra bulk with this case. So again, this case right here is really nice, and if you do want to check it out, I will be leaving a link down below. But that'll basically wrap it up for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe as it helps support the channel, and see y'all in the next one.